Hello and welcome to StonePressions. In this video, we're going to show you the results of one of our latest resurfacing projects, where we took a bathroom vanity from mundane to extraordinary. The next few still images show what this bathroom looked like before we started the epoxy resurfacing project. The vanity had the original installation gold marble. You can see that there's a lot of wear on this vanity. There's calcium built up in the sinks from hard water. And the customer has already removed the existing backsplash. It was a sky blue tile. We will be installing epoxy panels for a new backsplash and resurfacing this counter. Prep for this project was pretty straightforward. We sanded the counters with 80 grit, cleaned them very thoroughly using alcohol and an ammonia-based cleaner. Then we applied a bonding primer, let that dry overnight, came back the next day, applied our color primer, and then we began the color transformation. Here's what the bathroom looks like finished. The epoxy color coat is done, and we glaze coated it with another layer of epoxy. The backsplashes are installed, and you can see that this came out looking really nice. Moving on to the dressing table in the master bedroom, here you can see one of our main effects, this lovely vein that runs through the entire countertop. The epoxies we used for this project were all from Total Boat. The art coat is Total Boat Tabletop, and the glaze coat is also Total Boat Tabletop. We found that for resurfacing projects where we're doing integral sinks, Total Boat Tabletop works really well because the viscosity of the product is a little bit thicker, and it tends to stick to the sinks better than some of the competitors. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and follow us and check us out on stonepressions.com.